A very wonderful evening to you all. God bless you. Let's quickly discuss about the recent barbaric act that happened in Edo State today. We are going to be talking about it strictly, a sharp one, and it's something we got to do. Please just invite friends. I felt bad about it. A lot of news is still coming out. And before we go into it in proper, I want to still correct the impression which I've corrected before. I want to beg each and every one of us. I know that right now tension is very high. Tension is very high. I Comrade Newton Igbenegbu, the Bishop of Activism. If there's 1 billion%, I'm 1 billion% against what have happened. And let us not play politics with it. What did that mean that playing politics with it? Let not begin to indict people into this very game. Let us pay the spade. That's the best way we can get to the roots of this very evil. It's an evil act. It will not be tolerated and it will never stand. Please, I'm urging each and everyone to whom it may concern. I felt very bad. I was just, I drove home and I saw a mega comrade officer Clement Iranomigo online lamenting over his mothers that was being brutalized and the situation of things his brother is facing. I will talk to you here still as a brother, take it easy. And I, Comrade Newton Igbenegbu, I want to tell you that I'm strongly against what have happened. And wherever place they are dragging you to, at least to the best of my knowledge, I will try to see what I can also do in terms of activism to make sure I give you the necessary support when due. Here's the thing we all will be trying to fight in our government, and we try to fight it, but it's still coming up. But one thing I don't want us to do here, for us not to miss this very battle or begin to contradict ourselves, let us not begin to indict people into it. What have happened right now have nothing to do with partism, have nothing to do with the people that supported Obaseki. Maybe this is the kind of politics they play in Nigeria. And me, myself, I'm just coming to understand a lot of things right now. My own is that once governor won, you know, everybody is equal. But little did I know that some people take it as a yardstick to start oppressing other people. And the very man in question, by the grace of God, must be brought to book with S, A, and P. So I'm with you guys in prayer, whosoever that this thing might have affected. Let us not begin to fight ourselves. It's a fight for everybody. It is a fight for everybody. We thank God that JP Esama of Scandinavia is alive and your mother also is alive. I'm not doing this thing because of we are friends. I'm doing it because I am dying. I was instructed from the Bible to also do it. So let nobody take what I'm doing right now personal. What affect one affect all. If you read the book of Romans 12 verse 15, say rejoice with them that rejoice and weep also with them that weep. Only that one have given me encouragement to stand for what is good. But the only thing we can do, if we must be able to get to the root of this very barbaric and demonic act, is by not indicting people. Now, if you start indicting people right now, before you know the person you are indicting, automatically bringing out Yelala, then they want to go and swear. From there, you'll be losing strength. What is going to refuel, what is going to give you strength in this very journey is a very long journey. This issue is very dehydrating. Very, very dehydrating. So the people would have helped you. If you end up indicting people like me, I will not talk about it. Please, for those of you that have been writing comment, forget about talk about terrorists or whatever. We have been able to see right now with the act this man has performed. These are the real terrorists. How do you know a terrorist? The Bible says, by their fruit you shall know them. So the best way we can be able to get through all this, let nobody encourage you to start indicting people. I heard that you mentioned Abat and the rest. With who we have known Abat to be, I don't think Abat will go to this. Are you woman, mama? Yeah, mama, so yama. Please, let us stop it. Let them cut it. Because if you are trying to indict people here, you are trying to tell me where it's also play. It just play as usual. I don't really know how you guys are taking it. Whether it's former terrorists you to say at the end of the day, you came back and say, maybe I mean, I don't know and all of other. If we really want to do it together, let us pay the spade, and we need to face this thing squarely. That's my own personal opinion. I guess this one should also be the opinions of millions of those who want the state to go forward. Any person that is happy over this thing that happened, it will also happen to him one day. They know what is fixed. If not for the grace of God who saved our year today, he would have been a forgotten story today. So why will a man have this kind of attitude? Some of the reasons why we supported Obaseki was because why? What we saw in the past administration, we see that the governor of the day chose to be against it. That was why we supported him. I don't think Obaseki, with his administration, with what he have done, we want to tarnish his image by doing this very supporting this very barbaric attitude. Obaseki, I guess he will not have hand in it. So any person that is having hand in it, all of them is going to be brought to book. So please, let's try to see what we do about these very issues. The only way we can solve it, let don't indict anybody. The indictment you have done, let back on be back on. Forget about it right now. Even the people you are trying to put in, they will also be the people that's going to speak for you. So this is the best way I feel we can be able to do this. I know what it takes to lose a mother. I know what it takes to be passing through predicament. I think I saw another video again that even the JB is still kind of been disturbed by a lot of people. He came back again. Now, why is this very person taking law into his hand? Most of us here, what we are supposed to do right now is to be surprised. The only way you can get to the root of some certain problem, just be surprised for once. That's the only way you can be able to get to the root. If you are not working in surprise, there's no way you can work. So you have to, first of all, start working in surprise. That's the best way we can be able to get to it. This is not an issue you just come on media. For anybody that's going to be addressing this issue, don't just come on media and begin to say, talk about terror. No. 4+4 was just like a logo that he have done this very first onion is going to be coming back again. That is the meaning. It is not a terrorist organization, you and I know. So if you are still trying to begin to play game, which that happened during the time of the campaign, that is to say, what happens, that is, we are still trying to take it as a joke. This thing shouldn't be addressed in a jokeful manner. It will be taken seriously. And the only way people right now can know that this thing is serious is by you using a different language. You have to change your language. In that thing, Abbas is not my friend. He knows, everybody else knows. I don't have any friend. But what will start spoiling this whole thing? Me, I don't need it. This is what I've signed to fight for. Injustice, I don't like it. Irritates me. Oppression, I don't like it. This oppression to the highest order. I think this person, we should be expecting maybe nothing 3 days. He will be arrested by Edo State governor. If Edo State governor is not going to be arresting him, then the property is destroyed. Should be looked into under the judiciary perspective. That is just nobody's above the law. So if some group of people are above the law, then we now know. So the reason why some of us criticize a lot of things that is happening in our society today, because we don't like it. But a lot of people praise it. That's why whatever thing you feel you are supporting or whatever, it will come back to you tomorrow. If not because we are going, you have fought a lot of fights for the those both in diaspora and also in Nigeria. So this is not supposed to happen to you. Why must it be happening right now? It should be what you are going to first of all look into before case one feel involved or not involved. Before you know right now, and when Moriba, for example, he will go out there and begin to swear. At the time your conscience, you are being grieved by your conscience right now. I will say I know, because nobody want to take this thing lightly. If you are indicting anybody, make sure you got the proof. We have seen it right now. This very man who have done this very act, a lot of people is testifying. The community is testifying. He's the person, so he should be held accountable. Whosoever that is involved inside, then my God will not be the one to feed them out. So let's take it easy. And I get we are going to get to the root of all this by the grace of God. So I condemn it. I'm against it. It's a barbaric behavior. It is demonic. It is not scriptural. Traditionally, it is not supported. Politically, it's not even supported. So if this is the kind of politics they play in Edo in Nigeria, that as soon as the person you support wins, then you become a terrorist to the community where you belong, I guess no diaspora person will ever support to elect any governor again in Edo State or in Nigeria at large. If this is how they do it. So we are not going to know really if Obaseki is involved or not. We will know by his action. We will know. Then before we start throwing stones, let's first of all keep watch. It does happen. Let's see how the whole thing plays. If one does something, how we are destroyed. Then everybody that one tries something, people, they are filing up a case file against this very person. We're going for it. Noya Bagba do the EU. We look for a linker. We hold a protest against him here. Then that we won't affect. Obaseki have no option that will push him out. We know what to do. This flag speaks a lot. And there's an evidence to prove for it. So this is a terrorist act. Kazani Soleimani that Donald Trump killed, or that the order is brought down, he not do this like this. So such a thing shouldn't be tolerated. Traditionally, it's against our tradition. If you take it to judicial institute, I guess in no ramification. This person have no moral justification over what he or she might have done. So let that not complicate issue. Let not begin to say, talk about, remove, clean up 4+4. If I see that again, maybe go can, because the issue became nonsense. If we are saying 4+4, that's to say you are joking. Let's say this very man, let remove politics away from it. Let treat this very man sit. He are not even campaign for Obaseki. Let not begin to see him as Obaseki supporter. This one will be giving them strength. If you are carrying the case to court, carry the case to court. Let's see the judge that going to judge the case, whether they have that is under jurisdiction that somebody will encroach into another. It's against the law. You cannot destroy a house. Is it the one that owns the land? How owns the person? Let people assume he created the village. How owns it is? So let not begin to make a lot of people feel as if they are on top of the world. Let not begin to give him name that he cannot be able to wear. When the headache comes, it's just that this is the thing I've been talking about. Let's pick one, but a lot of people division here and there because of talk about. Let them play politics within those things. Say talk about, say pot for floor, it's still politics. So I just come to draw this very one very quickly to let you guys know. For those of you saying pot for 4+4, let's stop this division and let's stop this hate. The only way we can get to this, to finish up this very fight, without we getting fainted, without we not losing our head in it, is for us to try as much as we can. Let's take away politics. Let's forget about hate. This is the only way we can be able to win this very battle. It's going to happen to another person. Making references to, for example, to Kabaka, this is not just the issue at all. This one is a different thing entirely. According to them, Kabaka built on government house. Kabaka know what he saw. Your brother have not eaten anything from the government. I'm not one on pay. So let the fast to hear and be slow to speak. In this very point in time, if we must solve some certain issue, let not take it as joke. Let us not take it as joke. So let's see whether we have governor in Edo State and whether we don't have. If we don't have, then we know what to do. This is going to play against a lot of diaspora people. They are going to be watching. A lot of people will be calling me, Newton, why this and that. Okay, now let's wait and let's see how the governor switch it to action. If it's all about partisan, the JB campaign for Obaseki also. This would have happened to APC. Why must it not be talked for? If really 4+4 is really a group or an organization, they would have do it to another person, not JB. JB was on ground. I saw him make some videos. I saw his activism. I saw him his campaign and all of that. But this would have not happened to him. So in that thing of Obaseki, you are just trying to spoil this whole thing. Before you know, the people that would have even helped you out. That's why if you are going through some certain predicament in life at times, instead of you to talk, just keep quiet. People will speak for you. So any platform that did not talk against this very thing because of political affiliation, that person will not know who he is. So let's not use partism here. I am not APC. I am not PDP. I'm not even AC. I am a take it back because of the ideology. So if anybody is talking, you are indirectly making references to me. You are getting me provoked. because I'm not who you think I am. I did not even belong to any 4+4 whatever. We were only in Zoom collation group where we are projecting Obaseki. So 4+4 today is not a group that association that is living. I have my own association IICP by the grace of God. That's the platform I'm using right now, reaching you. And some of these very things that the very platform stand for or stand against is what I'm talking about right now. We hate injustice. We hate oppressive behavior. We don't like it. Even useless attitude, we don't accommodate it in our platform. So this is a fight for everybody. Just the way I've been talking about Fulani investment and all of that, is a fight that we all must have to fight. It's not a fight for one person. Who knows what is going to happen to tomorrow? So bringing Kabaka's issue, that one, and they know where they foresee each other. Let us not begin to complicate issues. Let's dig into these very issues and see how it goes. It just happened up to 24 hours. Let's see what the government is going to do. Let's see what the government is going to do. The houses are distracted. We still have a judicial interest today. It should be so to court. It will not be more than court now. It will not be more. It will be made to face the law, traditionally and otherwise. Nobody has given him a door to take control, no matter who he feels he is, or he feels he is. A protest can be held on him here, you know, indicting all his family forever and ever. How are we going to achieve this? Let our minds be together in these very kind of troubles. Amos 3:3 can two work together except they agree. There must first of all be agreement between us. We have to first of all bond ourselves together without the spirit of activism. Let every platform, whether you are PDP or APC, let's forget about this partisan. I am Mutemi or Mweminoburia. Let's forget about it. Forget about 4+4. 4+4 again. 4+4 was an ideology. He's going to get the next 10. Talk back means where we are going to win. Just the same way you guys we are using poll and all that, you know. So let's forget about this thing. This is not a joke. You cannot keep on doing one thing and expect a different result. If you have been saying terrorism just for you to catch one and all that, to try to describe the person's attitude, that the person's attitude is bad. And right now, the made terrorists have come. Who want to listen to you again? Nobody want to listen because it's a word you normally use. That's why there are words I don't use for people. Because when the time will come for you to cry up, imagine you have a house, you always cry all the time, scream all the time for waiting on me. The very day you'll be screaming that people really want to kill you, that day, nobody will come to yourself. This one. And that's why today, right now, people will still count your word that I've seen the pictures, I've seen the person in questions. So you should go in for it. You should go in for it. No matter the money he has, let's assume each of the houses he destroyed, they have to pay 100,000 at least. That's a huge amount of money. We are living a life right now. If you cannot reap what you have sown, his children can reap it. We can document it for the children. The best way we can be able to have a better society. If we must go forward, let's put a lot of things aside. There are people today who feel maybe that may be close to you. They may not come like this to come and tell you this. But in going to war, you have to first of all make preparations. These some of the things we must have to have at the back of our mind if we must succeed. We have to also allow the book of Hebrews 13:1. Let brotherly love continue. If not, you will talk and talk and talk and talk. Some people who follow you because of excitement, they just follow you, they want to see you sharp, but they have no vital word to put in there that will make people to know that yes, what this man is going through is real. I talk more about to protect our land, not because I have anything to lose there, because I know a lot of people have something there. I did the very first day. I never really take it lightly with you because of this 4+4, but I see that there's a reason why I should come and let the Oedolite and the whole world know that I, Comrade Newton, the Bishop of Activism, I'm strongly against this barbaric and inhumanic attitude that happened today in Edo State over your brothers, where the brother built his house in one community and Edo State at large. We want our state to move forward. Some of the things we voted for Obaseki for is to make sure this thing is not seen in our government. Let's see how you address it. The matter must definitely get to him. What this person has done is against the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Against the Constitution. He have no moral right. He have nothing that support him doing this. He will forever live to regret this kind of action. No matter whosoever, I don't care whosoever that is in his back today. He must live to regret it. That a civilian, because you campaign for a governor, that one will give you the moral right to carry gun and begin to chase people from your community. What kind of art is that? What kind of art? I'm not getting it clear. And this, those who stand and speak against this very art. This is not supposed to even be your fight. It's not supposed to be the fight of the people that they destroy their house. It's supposed to be the fight of every one of us that have our brain at the center of our head, that support good governance. The reason why we rise up to say, no, this Obaseki must be voted for was to make sure that the promise that they are no longer going to be Olons, Agbeolism, and all these Ajagaduism that we are still seeing today in our society. So we should give the governor a chance to see, or the Judiciary Institute, to see how they swing rapidly into this very issue. A ver lo que puedo y vamos a hacer. No falta que tiene problema con gente ahora. Hay que poner tranquilamente vamos a hacer las cosas. Por pelear no puedo tener una justicia buena. Sea lo que sea, estoy contigo hasta final de este curso. It's a curso, it's a course. We have to treat it gradually. If you are coming out, you are nothing to stay. Instead of matching line, just relax yourself. So, good day, viewers. Please, if you learn on the video, you share the video. Let's take it from there. We're going to be getting updates on how the government looks about it. Whether it's going to be break and pay, then let's see. The case, the proper channel should be, let nobody take law into his hand. The house he have destroyed, he have finally agreed by one way or the other that he destroys or did not destroy some. So the case should be pushed to court immediately. If they are not sorting it well in court, then let's take it to Abuja. If you take all the followers, all the people committing shenanigans in social media, let them make donation, while it should be taken to Supreme Court in Abuja for judicial hearing. So that is my humble submission. Good day, house, and God bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen.